Hello everyone. Today we are again together in this English lesson. Are you ready for the lesson? Let's start with a story today. The story is about the weather conditions and Amy's class is going on a hike today. Let's listen to the story now.
Amy is ready. I'm ready for my hike. I've got my hiking boots, water, and snacks. Amy is happy. Today her class is going on a hike. Wait a minute. You need your raincoat and umbrella. Why? What's the weather like? Is it rainy? Mum doesn't think Amy is ready. No, not right now. But what was the weather like yesterday? It was rainy. Mum doesn't want Amy to get wet. And last night it was cold and windy. Take your jumper and your hat and gloves too. Okay. She doesn't want Amy to get cold. But Mum, it's warm and sunny today. Sunny? Oh, then take your sunglasses and sunscreen too. Amy isn't worried about the weather. Now you're ready. Amy is ready for all kinds of weather.
I hope you like the story. And now there are questions related with the story now. Number 1. What is Amy's class doing today? Her class is going on a hike today. 2. What was the weather like yesterday? It was rainy. 3. What was the weather like last night? It was cold and windy. 4. What's the weather like today? It says warm and sunny in the passage. So the answer is it is warm and sunny. And the last question, what is Amy wearing at the end of the story? Amy is wearing shorts, sunglasses, hiking boots, and a hat. She is ready for all kinds of weather conditions. Let's continue with another exercise. We are going to complete the role play with is and was. Becky, my holiday is great fun. Yesterday was great. I was at the beach all day. George, wow, what was the weather like yesterday? It was hot and sunny. What is the weather like at home today? It is cool and rainy. You see the answers? You may act this role play with your friend. And now, there is a text talking about the weather conditions, which are extreme conditions. We are going to listen this text and then continue doing our exercises. I hope you are ready for it. Yes.
What's the weather like?
The year-round weather in a place is called its climate. In some places, the climate is the same all year long, and it can be extreme.
Wow, that's hot.
There are many hot places on the planet, but the Lut Desert in Iran is super hot. The temperatures there can be 70 degrees Celsius. It is so hot that not many people go there. As a result, the Lut Desert is also a very quiet place.
It's freezing.
Oymyakon, Russia, is the opposite of the Lut Desert. It is very cold. There is lots of snow and temperatures can be minus 70 degrees Celsius. Not many people live in Oymyakon because of the cold.
I'm thirsty.
The Atacama Desert in Chile is dry. In some parts of this desert, it never rains at all. As a result, not many people live there. But tourists go to see this very beautiful place. People say the Atacama Desert looks like the moon.
Where's my umbrella?
It rains almost every day in Yoro, Colombia. Yoro gets an average of 13 meters of rain every year. That's a lot of rain. The trees grow very quickly because of the rainy climate.
Pupils book, page 60.
And there are some questions about the text that we have listened now. Number 1, why don't many people go to Lut Desert? Because it is a very dry place and there is no rain there. 2, what is the result of so few people going there? It asks here that what happens when there are no more visitors there? It is a very quiet place. 3, how cold can it get in Omniacon? It can be minus 70 degrees Celsius. 4, why is the Atacama Desert so dry? It never rains there. Number 5, why do trees grow quickly in Laurel? Because there is a lot of rain there. It rains almost every day. You see the answers? Let's continue the next exercise. We are going to fill in the blanks with the words given in the green section. The weather in a place is called the climate. In the places in the photos, the climate is extreme. The weather is very hot, cold, or rainy. It is very hot in the Lut Desert. The temperature can reach 70 degrees Celsius. The Atacama Desert in Chile looks like the moon. Lots of tourists visit it every year. This rainforest gets an average of 13 meters of rain each year. The climate in Omniacon, Russia, is the opposite of Lut Desert. It isn't hot, it is very cold. Thank you for joining today's class. I hope to see all of you in the next lesson, and I hope you will have a nice day today. See you soon.